This is a fun game you can play talking about emotions. So this is a giant snowball. It says the snowball is, and then on the back page, it talks about emotions. How do you feel? What does it feel like, the way you're feeling? So this snowball is angry. This one is scared. This one's kind of shy and doesn't really want to say much. This one's worried. This one's shocked, like, oh no, what happened? This one's happy. This one's sad. This one's proud, like, I did a great job. This one's content, like, everything's great. This one's excited, like, oh, I can't wait. And this one's confused, like, what's going on? I'm not really sure. So you can cut them out or have an adult cut them out with you, and you're going to place it here. So this snowball looks happy. This snowball, how does he look? Find his match or her match on here. That would be sad. And you're going to put it here. And you're going to go through and find the rest of the matches. I don't want to give you all the answers. I want you to try and figure those out. But whatever it looks like, here is going to match here. So look for the match here. Look at all the silly faces. Sad faces, happy faces, sad faces. How do you feel when you look at some of these pictures? Have you ever felt this way? I know I have. You feel different things at different times, depending on what's going on. And it's okay to feel the way you feel. It's also important to talk to somebody about it when you're feeling that way. Have fun with this craft. Have fun talking about your emotions. Bye, friends.